Well, now we got Sweet Pea up in it. Yeah, her nail's done. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, I knew she'd be the worst. You gotta get those. That's uncomfortable, so I hear. Need to get over it.
She just head back her.
Hey, your hoof is sharp on my back. Your back hoof is sharp on my back. Yep. I know that now. Good girl. This chair out of here. I want to get you down. Oh yeah. See the white close to the foot pad. Didn't get anything. She's not bleeding. Good deal. Good deal. What do you think, Sweet Pea? Huh? What do you think?